mouse.
Where?
Right there.
A mouse?
It was huge.
Okay.
It had fangs and big teeth, Dad.
Where was it?
Right here.
Down there? And you jumped up there?
Yeah. It had really big claws, Dad.
And you're sure you saw this over here, Hamilton?
Yeah.
Okay.
It had wings.
I heard they also eat dogs. You found the mouse?
It's up here.
Where? What's Hammy doing up there?
Dad, it's down there. Help. It's scary, Dad.
Okay. But this? Hamilton, this is just a green gummy bear.
It squeaks.
It's a what?
It's a dragon. Help. It snarls.
Oh, come on.
Dad.
It's a vacuum.
No.
It cleans the house.
False.
Hammy, dragons breathe fire.
It scares me.
So you guys are gonna clean?
Dad, no. Yeah.
It's just a vacuum.
No, Dad.
It's not even plugged in.
So what? Gosh.
I don't think this is a very big deal. But what, Hammy? I can't believe you think this is anything but a vacuum.
Or hell. Yeah. Hell.
Who's gonna clean?
Him. Her. Him.
Hammy, who wrote you this note in your tent?
His girlfriend, a cat.
Yeah?
No. She's just a friend. I saw them sneaking out to hold hands and kiss. No.
Hammy, she wants to meet you in the park tonight. Are you going to go?
But Dad, I'm scared. I'd be with that hat. So is it too much?
Yeah.
So lose the hat.
Yes.
And the tie. Grow up. It's not fair.
Olivia,
I'm old enough. Oh,
not for all that makeup.
Dad.
Remove it.
So unfair.
No makeup.
Get out. I feel pretty. 10.
Feet back at 9.
Come on, Dad.
9.
10.
I'm telling your date that if he doesn't have you back by 9. Shush!
Dad.
What?
Stop.
I'm meeting him.
Why? No.
Yeah.
Yep.
No.
It's on there.
That's a lie.
It's true.
Stop, Dad.
Olivia,
Dad's right.
go check.
Okay.
He doesn't actually have yogurt on his nose, Olivia.
He's so slow.
Okay, shh.
I hate you.
Olivia, what are you doing? You only have your learner's permit. You can't drive alone.
Ham came too, Dad.
What? Ham, are you okay?
He's fine. I'm scared. What? Oh, wuss.
Olivia.
What?
Aha.
Oh, no.
Start explaining yourself.
Or what, Dad? I'm not 10, Dad. Gosh.
Don't interrupt me. Why are you sneaking out?
To take the car.
Hey guys, I'm going to the grocery store. Do you want bacon? Bacon, got it. How about corn, asparagus, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, sausage?